Hello and good morning. I'm Dr. Amit. I'm founder director of Divine Cosmetic Surgery, and with my 13 years of experience in plastic surgery, I am now going to be discussing very important aspects of what Botox and what fillers are. You've been in quarantine, you've been away, and you've not had a chance to improve your looks at all. Now is the time when you should know about how you can look so much more beautiful and so much more younger in just a few minutes with Botox and fillers. A lot of facts which you were not aware of. Let me simplify it for them, for you and for everybody, so that you have no hesitation left in considering this as part of your rejuvenative program. I should start by saying that Botox and fillers are anti aging, which means that if you continue to use them regularly, then the amount of physical aging that you'll actually have is much less compared to what you would if you never use them. So, this lockdown, have you aged? I think it's time to look young again and much more happy again. So, we're going to talk of Botox and fillers. So, what are they? I'm going to talk about the differences, but Botox is used for frown lines here, horizontal lines which come up here, along the eyebrow here, vertical lines which come up, on the nose, which are called bunny lines, on the around the angle of the eyes, which are called crow feet. Fine lines below the eyes can be treated with what is called baby Botox. We can do selfie lips, create selfie pouts with baby Botox. In slightly older people, we can get rid of those smoker lines, also called barcodes, these small lines which come up here. Chin wrinkling, we can make the face more thin. If someone has a square face, we can make that more thin with Botox. People who sweat a lot, Botox can reduce the sweating. Some people have vertical lines on the neck called turkey bands. We can get rid of turkey bands as well. Whereas fillers are used to fill, so we take care of under eyes. Suppose once one wants to get rid of them, get a better nose, get it completely reshaped, get much more beautiful lips. Any kind of lip shape is possible. Then get a better chin, longer chin, or a chin which can be pushed outwards. There are some men who want a more square looking face, so we can do fillers for that. So a lot of women who want very sharp jawlines, we can create that. I'm going to show you how that's done. In addition, we also use fillers for the hands. Aging hands can be improved by the use of fillers. So, what is the difference between the two? Botox is a product which is from bacteria. It works on what is called as dynamic lines, lines which come on when you express. And fillers are meant for static lines which are always present, like the line along the side of your nose called as laughter line. Botox lasts for 3 to 6 months, and fillers last for anything from 3 years to 12, 2 years, 3 months to 2 months. They're used to remove wrinkles, and they are used to fill or enhance. Brands, you already know Botox, Xeomin. The fillers are Juvederm, Bilatero, and Restylane. Areas I've just mentioned. What are dynamic wrinkles? Facial creases and wrinkles caused by repetitive muscle movement. So you keep animating, talking, smiling, and there are certain points where you start getting wrinkles. Years of continued frowning, smiling can cause these deep lines. And these are just few examples. The forehead wrinkles and the crow feet are just examples. Static wrinkles are fine lines wrinkles from loss of skin elasticity, which means they're going to be there all the time. The skin gets old, collagen breaks down, tissues become loose, and they are further agitated by smoking or genetics. It's like the line along the corner of the mouth, along the cheeks, and neck wrinkles. So, Botox is used to make the face more thin. So, a square face can be made more thin. Lines along the corner of the eyes, these lines along the eyebrows, neck bands can be improved significantly with Botox. Can we change a face? Well, one of the most beautiful women in the world today. Can you believe this was her originally? Now, Botox has made her face much more thin, jawline sharpening. There are a lot of other things she has done, but she's also done a lot of fillers for the nose, then lips with fillers. So, a lot of other stuff also. But yes, today we can actually change a face. So, this is Kylie Jenner through the years as a kid and now as one of the most beautiful girls in the world. So, all of this has mostly been done with fillers and Botox. Now, another very famous person who I always like, Pehchan Kaun. Sometimes you may not recognize her, but this is who she is. So she started off like this, and now from a gummy smile to a very pretty smile, much more beautiful lips, a better nose, better chin. So you can clearly see a huge difference in the chin as well. So a lot of stuff has been done. Someone like her, clearly Botox was used to make the face more thin. Sharp jawlines have been done. Fillers have been done for the jawlines. Cheek enhancement has been done, and possibly nose surgery as well. Other uses, we can see the celebrity chef, wrinkles so much better. The chin wrinkles have gotten better. These are the barcodes which you can improve with Botox. And hyper sweating in the, a lot of people, sometimes people have these hyper sweating in the underarms. In fact, during the summers, you can do Botox in the underarms to reduce the sweating and reduce the staining on your clothes. Fillers, well, like I say, love my lips, so we can use for nose reshaping, we can do for under eye management, we can create better jaw lines, we can do chin enhancements, they can be used for aging hands, and you can see a huge difference in this lady by the use of cheek fillers. So my own patients, we can see we've done some fillers to improve the under eyes. The overall appearance of the patient looks much better. From a sad looking person to a much happier person is what fillers and Botoxes can do. General cost Botox is 354 rupees per unit. Fillers will vary from 23,000 to 28,000. There are a lot of Korean products in the market which are much cheaper, but I always suggest to use the best ones. So this is it, and you can call us on the numbers from which you've got the message, or you can call us at our central helplines 9811 994417. If you want to consult with me, you can fix up my special 3D consult where I can actually show you what changes you're going to have, and it would be a pleasure indeed to speak with you. So have a great, wonderful day ahead.